Today I have with me the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 395 ppi with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Mi 11X Pro 5G has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. Mi 11X Pro 5G comes with a triple camera setup with Xiaomi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Mi 11X Pro 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 5nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity